Hello, I'm Max at Not a Drama, just tech, no drama. So let's just jump in the reason why you're here, which is the review of the Logitech K380 keyboard. The K380 keyboard is a travel keyboard, a portable keyboard, and it's pretty clever as it can work simultaneously with three different Bluetooth devices, including Android, iOS, OS X, and Windows PCs. I believe Linux as well, although I didn't really dig deep into that. So I bought this keyboard actually at the Heathrow airport in London and paid for it £34. Actually in Amazon you can find it for as low as £24 depending on the offers. Anyway, it's a totally reasonable price for what you get. So what you actually get? Well, in the box is included the keyboard itself, instruction manuals, and two AAA batteries. Now, starting with the instruction manual, it's super simple. There is not much you can do there. Basically, the keyboard comes with three Bluetooth function buttons to switch between three different devices, and you simply hold down the key for 3 seconds if you want to put it in pair mode. So we can take our time going through the unboxing, or actually, you know what, just skip it as there's not much in there. Powered by two AAA batteries, so very easy to swap batteries on the go while you travel, and nice touch from Logitech to include the battery in the box, especially if you buy it at the airport when you actually need a keyboard and you are stuck. The keyboard comes with 4 rubber feet that are doing a fairly good job on keeping the keyboard stable on a flat surface, although when you're traveling you may as well use it on your laps. Speaking of travel with this keyboard and bringing it around and use it on your laps, it's not exactly light at almost half a kilo, but still compared to a full mechanical keyboard, it's 3 times less the weight. Still, half a kilo may be a lot to ask to put in your backpack if you're carrying already quite a bit of gear. One of the missing thing on this keyboard, if you want to complain about it, is not comparable to a full-size keyboard with backlighting. Is not backlit, so this may be problematic if you are in a very dark environment. I'm actually using this keyboard not really for travel, to be honest, but I use it on my desk next to my sim rig, so easy small keyboard to reach out when needed. And I actually use it as well to switch over to a MacBook, which I actually use for work. So it's pretty handy and easy to switch between different devices. And in fact, the keyboard is actually come with labels for both Windows and OS X, so very handy to use it with different operating systems. Let's turn it on, shall we? So as soon as you turn it on with a small switch on the side of the keyboard, you will notice the Bluetooth light coming up for whatever was the last device that was selected, and you can easily switch between the 3 devices by simply pressing down the button and waiting for the light to come up. As you can see, it's actually switching fairly quickly between the devices, and I had no problem at all working with Bluetooth through my iOS device, Windows PC, and MacBook with OS X. Now, what is a keyboard review without sound comparison? Now again, this is a travel keyboard, so you may not be too concerned about that, but let's hear how it compares to a mechanical keyboard and to a more conventional non-mechanical keyboard. Here we go for the sound test. And so that's it. How is the keyboard to type on? Well, the round keys are actually comfortable enough. It's a solid, good quality product. I didn't change the battery since I bought it, which is a month ago, although I'm not using it that heavily, so your mileage may vary. Would I suggest this keyboard if you're traveling or if you have the need to quickly switch between different devices? Absolutely yes. I will suggest you to buy this keyboard with confidence. It is a good product. So that's about it really. It's quite straightforward product, but I wanted to take the time to review this and create some content for my channel. And speaking of my channel, please subscribe. I actually made a rant video about the limit of 1,000 subscribers for being monetized, which I believe is absolutely stupid. If you believe this is the case, please support me by subscribe to the channel, and I promise not to bother you too much. But if you appreciate this video, just subscribe to show your support, and hopefully I will see you on the next one.